In this problem, we're asked to solve for u. So if we notice, we have fractions on either side of the equation. So in order to make the problem a little easier to solve, we want to get rid of our fractions by multiplying the entire equation by 4. So if we go through, we have our first term of 3/4 u, but if we multiply 3/4 times 4, we'll have a 3/4 times 4. Notice that the 4's divide out to 1, so we're left with just 3. So we have 3u minus, and then 1/2 times 4, because we want to make sure we're multiplying every single term by our 4. So 4 times our negative 1/2 gives us a negative 2. And then notice on this right side of the equation, we want to distribute this 1/2 before we multiply everything by 4. So on the right side, we have a 1/2 u plus 1/2 times 4, which gives us a 2. So now we want to distribute that 4 to this whole thing. So we have 4 times a 1/2 u, which will give us 2u plus 8. Now we can continue to solve for u. Notice we have a u term on either side of the equation, so we want to bring this 2u over to the left side, and we can do that by subtracting 2u from each side. So we're left with u minus 2 equals 8. And then we want to add a 2 to each side in order to get u by itself. And we have u equals 10 for our final answer. So the final answer is C.